Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video here of the unboxing of the Neewer 480 LED light. Uh, I just got these, so we'll be testing those out today. This is the 2-pack, and it should come with some stands in there as well. So let's check it out. If you're using a knife, be careful. Looks like there's some padding in there. I'm not sure if that's for packaging or so. So here, this is just padding. We can put those to the side for now. And then looks like there are 2 bags in here. So here's one of the first bag. And then here is the second bag. I think the LEDs are in there. And here are the two Neewer light stands. So we'll be opening that, and then there's actually another one in here. There we go. Alright, so here is the front of the bag. We'll put this one to the side for now. And then these are the light stands, we'll put those to the sides. But let's go ahead and open this bag and see what's inside. So right here it says Neewer. On the back there's nothing. Oh, it looks like there's a strap here, so that's good. Nice. So out of the box, here is just some instructions. Customer support. And here is the LED itself. It's kind of heavy, but it's pretty decent metal. This U-shaped seems sturdy. And then here, this is the diffuser, so we'll take that out. But let's see what else we have in here. So here is one of the power supplies. So that would be nice. I think you can plug in 2 batteries in the back right here. And then you can change the white or yellow colors. You can plug the AC or the charger in here as well. And I think this right here is the cable. So yeah, just the cable to plug into the charger. And then so let's put that to the side for now. Let's take a look at the LED light itself. These 2 knobs control how tight you want this panel to be. It does rotate, so that's great. And then over here there are 2 pins that we can open, but let's see if we can get this out. Pushed it, here we go. Take this out. So these are the LEDs right here. You can use this just like that without using the panel or the diffuser. But we'll see how we do the testing and then how bright it is. So just use this, kind of peel this off. And then on the back there is a sticker. Sweet. So let's put that back on there. Pretty easy to put in there, but let's see if we can figure out these clips right here. Oh, so I guess you pull these up and that will stop it from sliding. Oop. There we go. So you just gotta like push these in right here and then pull them out to have the diffuser in place. So let's get this plugged up and see how it works. Alright, let's take a look at the stand real fast. So here's the Neewer light stand. Pull this out of here. Here's the nice stand. It's pretty heavy, so it should be great for supporting the light. Here's the bottom, and then you can pull these out like that. And then actually there is a knob right here. So twist that and then we should be able to expand the stand a little bit. There we go. Just like so. It's a pretty big stand. I didn't expect it to be this big or heavy. The material is very nice on this one. So right now we have one of the panels hooked up. This is just room light from outside. So we'll go ahead and be turning on the LED panel right now. So this is just the panel. Full power for the white color. And then we'll go ahead and turn on the yellow color. Just one panel is actually giving out decent light. So this is total white, and then we can dim it. And then this is just yellow color, full brightness. And then we'll go ahead and turn on the white color. So this is full brightness for both colors together. But we'll go ahead and take other videos of the other panel as well, just when it's facing the camera. We have one of the panels hooked up to the power right now. So we'll go ahead and turn this one on. This is in total darkness right now. Or not total, but room light. It's not really that much. And bam. So let's start. This is just pretty much all lights turned down. And then this right here is the white light. Turned up as high as it can get. And then here is the yellow. as high as it can get. This LCD actually provides a lot of power. Here, let's see if we can change the light and kind of hold it from the top. And then let's see if we can put this here. So it provides decent lighting. But here, let's try put that here. So this is just one panel. We can try to make it go further, but this is pretty far from the bag, and it still provides decent light. So let's try turning down the yellow and just have white. And then let's turn down the white and then have yellow. Still a lot of light, so that's good. And then especially if you buy the 2-pack, then you will get 2 of these, which will provide much more light. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, or if you want me to go over something that I did not go over, just let me know as well.